Let's consider this equation that has a little twist that we haven't seen before. Here's an equation where, in this instance, the variable was divided by 3, and then 5 was added to that result. Again, we have to undo those operations in reverse order. So I need to undo the addition before I undo the division. I would undo the addition by subtracting. An equation, again, is a balance, so whatever I take away from one side to help me isolate the x, I must take away from the other side to keep my equation balanced, to keep it in alignment so that our seesaw doesn't get out of whack. Nothing worse than your seesaw getting out of whack. Now, this is indicating division. The way we would undo division, since the opposite, the inverse operation of division is multiplication, we will have to multiply this side of the equation by 3, which means I'll have to multiply this side of the equation by 3 to keep it balanced. Well, this is like having 3 over 1. Remember, when we multiply fractions, what we first try to do is reduce, and wouldn't those 3's reduce to 1, just leaving us 1 times x, which is x, and 3 times 3 is 9? So the value for x that makes this equation true is 9. And we can verify that that's correct. If x was 9, 9 divided by 3 would be 3, and 3 plus 5 indeed is 8. So we have the correct solution. Let's try another one of these problems where we have a division rather than a multiplication with the x, since that's relatively new. I want to isolate the x. It's been involved in a division. It's been involved in a subtraction. The division was first, the subtraction second, so I need to undo that by undoing the subtraction first, then the addition. I'll add 8 to make that disappear into 0 and undo the subtraction. And add 8 over here to keep the equation balanced. This again is a division. The way we undo a division is with a multiplication. Once again, this is the whole number. That's like having 2 over 1, and those 2's are going to cancel to 1, leaving us 1 times x is x, 12 times 2 is 24. And I think we can see that that would be the correct answer. 24 divided by 2 would be 12, and 12 minus 8 indeed is 4. We have found the correct